Sarah. I'm co-founder and one of the trustees of 50 Backpacks. We run a soup kitchen on a Tuesday evening known as the Grub Hub, and we run a supplies store where we hand out essential items to homeless people. We've got a little Citroën C3 Desire. It's 15 years old, but it is absolutely essential to the workings of 50 Backpacks. If it wasn't for that car, we wouldn't be able to run.
I don't know if I want to eat or drink. I don't really want to beg for it. I don't know if I want to dance or sleep. And I don't want to love
Morning, I'm back.
too much. And I don't want to have a key too long.
We're going to be carrying out a major service. We're going to be replacing all 4 tyres along with your mud flaps. We'll also be doing an MOT for you. So you're going to replace the rear exhaust rubber and then also replace your driver's side rear door handle for you.
And we're really pleased at Citroën to support the work that you do with 50 Backpacks.
Brilliant. Oh, thank you.